Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic: how to withdraw USDT from NFT in 2025. If you're into crypto and NFTs, you know how exciting it is to turn your digital assets into real value. USDT is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a reliable way to handle transactions without the wild price swings of other cryptos. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, step-by-step guide to get your USDT out safely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you understand the basics. An NFT, or non-fungible token, is a unique digital item like art or collectibles that you might have bought or earned. Withdrawing USDT from it usually means selling your NFT and converting the proceeds into this stablecoin. In 2025, the process might involve new regulations or platforms, so always double-check for updates. Step 1. Start by accessing your crypto wallet. Popular options like MetaMask or Trust Wallet are essential here. Ensure it's connected to the blockchain where your NFT is stored, such as Ethereum. Step 2. Head over to a reputable NFT marketplace like OpenSea or Rarible. Log in with your wallet and locate your NFT in your collection. Step 3. List your NFT for sale. Set the price in USDT to make the withdrawal straightforward. Add details like a description and any minimum bids to attract buyers quickly. Step 4. Once your NFT sells, the USDT will land in your wallet. Verify the transaction on the blockchain for security. It's always good to be cautious in the crypto world. Step 5. If you want to move the USDT out of your wallet, transfer it to an exchange like Binance or Coinbase. From there, you can withdraw it to your bank account. Remember, fees might apply, so check current rates in 2025. A few quick tips. Always use two-factor authentication, avoid public Wi-Fi for transactions, and keep an eye on regulatory changes that could affect withdrawals. Crypto can be volatile, so stay informed. There you have it. That's how you withdraw USDT from your NFT in 2025. It's simpler than it sounds once you get the hang of it. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and hit the bell icon. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.